你好 Hi everyone. Today we will learn about 东西 things part 1. The first thing is 桌子 table. The quantifier of 桌子 is 张 For example, one table 一张桌子 Two tables 两张桌子 Three tables 三张桌子 The next is chair 椅子 The quantifier of 椅子 is 把这里 here 这里有几张桌子 How many table is it here? 这里有一张桌子 There is one table here 这里有几把椅子 How many chairs are there here? 这里有4把椅子 There are 4 chairs here. The next thing is 柜子 cabinet. The quantifier of 柜子 is 个 The next is we are going to learn about there. 那里有几个柜子 How many cabinets are there? 那里有2个柜子 There are 2 cabinets. 那里有几把椅子 How many chairs are there? 那里有7把椅子 There are 7 chairs. 那里有几张桌子 How many tables are there? 那里有7张桌子 There are 7 tables. The next thing is 灯 lamp. The quantifier of 灯 is 盏 2 lamps 2盏灯 3 lamps 3盏灯 4 lamps 4盏灯 The next is 床 bed. The quantifier of 床 is 张 Now we are going to learn about above and below. Above is 上 Below is 下 For example, 床上有什么 What are the things above the bed? 床上有衣服和裤子 There are t-shirt and trousers above the bed. 桌子下有什么 What are the things below the table? 桌子下有一只猫 There is a cat below the table. The next thing is 空调 air conditioner. The quantifier of 空调 is 台 这里有什么 ？What are the things here？ 这里有一把椅子，一张床，一台空调，一个柜子，一盏灯和一张桌子。你学会了吗？ Do you understand? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get the most updated videos. 再见 See you again.